Hi there everyone, it's Misty here from TheJollyFatElf. Happy Monday. Welcome back to another video in my holiday card series for 2021. Hi, how are you? How you been? So this is the first time that I filmed since like the end of August. So everything that you've watched in the month of September up until last Friday, which was October the 1st, was pre-recorded. And since I kind of gotten out of the habit of recording, I forgot to film an intro. So here we are. Yeah, so I am back. I'm good. Thank you for everyone who messaged me. My hand is still a little tender. You can see here where my scar is. But I am able to move, thank goodness. So hopefully I will be able to get back into crafting and have more videos for you this week. Before we jump into today's video, a couple of things. Number one, I am doing a destash. So I've gone through my stamps and my papers and my dies, and I've picked out ones that I'm probably not going to use, or I've already used, or I'm just wanting to pass on along to somebody else who I know will love them. So that was posted, I think last week sometime, I don't remember when. And then I went ahead and dropped prices on Saturday. So I updated it, and there's a new video, and I will have that linked in the description box down below. There is a companion spreadsheet. Actually, it's a spreadsheet I use to keep track of everything. So it's also listed down below. So all you have to do is email me at TheJollyFatElf@gmail.com with your order. Just tell me the number, the item number, and then what the stamp set is, or die, or whatever it is. I also have some planners as well, and I will send you an invoice. I just ask that you pay within 24 hours. If you can spend $75, I will ship it for free. If you spend $100 or more, I will ship it for free and give you a free gift if you're here in the US. I will ship internationally. You just gotta message me and we'll see how much it's gonna cost to get to you, because I don't want to overcharge on that. Shipping is going to start $3.50 for 1 ounce. That's basically what it costs me to ship here from where I am. And most stamp sets, unless they have dies, weigh around 1 ounce. And I am selling things in the stamp pockets. So yeah, I think that's everything you need to know about that. And then I've also listed all of the cards that I've made over the past couple of months in my Etsy shop, and you will find a link to that down below. So yeah, okay, so I broke my no-buy. I mentioned that back in, I think it was day 5 when I used that MFT kit. And I picked up a few more things from MFT. They were having a sale and I needed cardstock, and they're bringing back the Birdie Brown sets. So I picked up a couple of those. And then I was perusing a cherry on top and had to pick up some more paper. You know how that goes. So yeah, but anyway, thank you so much for joining me today. I think that's it. So like I said, I will link the video to my destash along with the spreadsheet in the description box down below. And you'll also find the link to my Etsy shop there as well. If you are a group member, there may be a special discount code for you that expires tomorrow. So make sure you check that out. But yeah, that's it. So I'm going to turn it over to past me, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much. So I'm going to walk you through some things that I picked up from, well, let's start with this. This is actually from Scrapbook Pal. I am doing a bonus video for her this month. And this is one of the newest releases from Lawn Fawn. This is called Penguin Party. How cute is this? And I've got the coordinating lawn cuts, yeah. So the stamp and the dies, and I am so excited for this. And what I love about this could be Christmas, this could be winter, it could just be something fun. So you're definitely going to see me use this not only on this channel, but also on the scrapbookpal.com channel. So if you're not following me on Instagram or Facebook, don't forget to do that, because I always share when my videos go live over there. So I picked up some stuff from My Favorite Things. Initially, I just needed some cardstock. I needed some cardstock, and I think they were, I don't remember what the sale was, but they were, I think it was like their Blitz Day where it was like 50% off. So I'm going to walk you through the things I've got. You guys already saw the kit. I've already used that. So I picked up this. This is Cupcake Cutie. This is from Tiddly Inks, and I got the coordinating dies to go with it. I had to get this one. This is Catastrophe. Oh, I can't even talk. They are bringing back Birdie Brown's retired images. I think she has stopped designing, illustrating for them. So they've been slowly bringing back her other stamps that have retired. And I believe they're going to be permanent. But I always wanted this one, and I always wanted the elephant too. And this one is called Adorable Elephant. So stinking cute. And then I believe this was their free with 60. And then I got the, what's this one called? Double Scoop of Cute. And I thought those were really, really cute. So you'll definitely be seeing those more after the holiday card series ends. But we may do some fun Christmas stuff with the cats or with the elephants for sure. And I picked up one 6x6 paper pad. I wanted the other one. They released a couple of these plaid papers. And I think the color in here is Fire Coral. And I just think it's so pretty. You guys know I'm obsessed with plaid anyway. So yeah, really, really pretty. So you're definitely going to be seeing some of these during the holiday card series for sure. So then you guys know I love a cherry on top. A cherry on top is where I go for paper for sure. So I picked up a couple of paper pads from Echo Park. So Echo Park and Cardabella, so they own each other. However, they've started doing these mega packs. And this is the first year I've noticed it. So if they've done it before, I apologize. But did I buy paper last year? You know what? I honestly don't know. I'm sure I did. I'm sure I did. I just don't remember. Anyway, it comes with 48 sheets. Double-sided paper. So 36 of them are pattern papers, get 9 solids, and they call them title sheets, which are basically like journaling cards. Oh, these look titled. Never mind. This is too big. Sorry, this is my hand, if you guys were wondering. So yeah, I'm trying to... I don't have to keep it covered anymore, and still can't grip very well. So I absolutely love Echo Park. Their Christmas is probably some of my most favorite. I think I've mentioned before that I loved that collection with the little Scotty dog. That was probably my first really introduction to Echo Park, and I've loved their Christmas stuff ever since. This one really drew me in, and I may end up getting the 12x12 paper pack just so I can get the journaling cards. This is called Christmas Salutations. I should have opened these ahead of time. And because they have all of these great, beautiful, scripty sentiments on paper. This is really hard to do when you're kind of one-handed. So they have those, but they also have, look at these. I love these. These will make really fun, quick cards. If you're a beginner card maker, get something like this. They do have the 12x12 collection pack that you can also use. Now, you're not going to be able to use all of these as a Christmas sentiment or on a Christmas card, but they're really, really cute. And I love that you do get solids that coordinate, and I love that touch of black. There's just something about that. I still love their lumberjack from last year. So yeah, so that is the Echo Park. And then Photo Play got me. Listen, I don't love gnomes. I'm just putting it out there. Gnomes are actually not my favorite. And I thought they were something that were going to go away at some point, but they haven't. But let me tell you about this Tula and Norbit from Photo Play. It's adorable. And A Cherry on Top already has their Valentine's Day out. But you guys can probably guess why I picked this one. If you are new to me, non-traditional Christmas is my absolute favorite color scheme. I'll craft in red and green sometimes, but I love when it's like pinks and bright greens and blues. And if you've watched any of my other cards in this series, you've probably noticed that. So I could not get this one. This is called Tula and Norbit's Christmas Party, and it's just bright and beautiful. And I ended up getting 2 of those. So the 6x6 paper. I just picked up one stamp set from them. This is Ugly Sweater. And I just thought they were really, really cute. A few years ago, I had Simon Says Stamp had an Ugly Sweater set, and I ended up selling it. I wish I hadn't, but I did. But these are so cute. Eat, Drink, and Be Tacky. Ugly Sweater Party, so you can actually do invitations. Hopefully, we can still see people coming Christmas. We'll see. And then I picked up 2 stencils, and this one is the knit. Yeah, it's the ugly sweater, and it looks like a knit. And I loved it. I mean, it's little hearts, but it looks like a knit. And I actually really, really love that. And then this one is from Simple Stories. This is called Just Christmas Lights. I really like that too. And then I bought a ton of this paper, and I'm gonna share with you why. Let me get these all together. Okay, so here's this one. Are these not the cutest you've ever seen in your life? I'm gonna zoom you out. My desk is a little messy, but it is what it is. Look at this. Oh my word. I love this one. I love these little snowmen. So these are considered journaling cards. Project Life made them popular, but other people have taken to putting them in their collections. And sometimes you can buy the journaling cards. I think Simple Stories used to do that. I'm not sure that they still do, but you can just cut these out and boom, you have a card front. Now these are size 4x6, so you'll have to cut them down just a little bit, but not always. So it's completely up to you. And I think I got 1, 2, 3, 4. I got 4 of this one. I just love. So we're definitely making some cards with those. And then here is another style. These are a bit smaller. So real cute. Aren't they just the cutest? I mean, seriously, they are the cutest. Look at that little reindeer and the little slug bug. Do you guys know I used to drive a Volkswagen Beetle when Rob and I met. I had a black Beetle. Her name was Kiwi. So cute. And then I believe this is the last, yeah, so this is the last set. And I believe I got 4 of these too. 1, 2, 3, 4. So yeah, I mean, I just love these. So this could be a really fun tag. This could go in a journal or your December daily if you do that. But the rest of these will look really, really well just as the front of a card. So much fun. Not a whole bunch. I mean, I was on a no buy, and I didn't want a whole bunch, but I couldn't pass this collection up, and you may be seeing more of it. We'll see. But that's it. Thank you so much for joining me today. Let me know in the comments down below what was your favorite item that I shared with you. I hope you guys are having a fantastic day, week, month, night, whenever this is going up. And I will see you guys in the next video.